under here, got our starter back on. We're removing the starter on the Ram, and this bracket here needs to come off to get to this nut back here. It's a pain in the butt, a little design flaw, but it goes up in there, something like that. So it covers the nut in behind it. So we're going to slop that back on. Access from the wheel well is convenient, not necessary, but convenient. And I believe these are 15 mils. We're going to slop that back on. Alright. They are 15s. You need a deep socket for this stud here. There's a foam gasket here that goes on there, and there's a little washer that holds it on. Deep socket. Get everything going. We have a shallow with this too, just in case that comes in handy. And then we'll wrench her on there. Okay, so I think we just did this the old-fashioned way when we took it off. I tried to go through the wheel well with a couple extensions, and it was not that convenient, so just doing it the old-fashioned way. No ugga-duggas, just a couple of yes. One yeah equals 5 ugga-duggas. Wait, I think my conversion's off on that. Oh yeah. I don't know what the conversion rate is. Maybe one yeah is like 2 ugga-duggas. Oh yeah, baby. We'll double check these. These got a couple ugga-duggas. We'll see. Oh, yeah, pretty darn close. Okay. They're almost. It's almost a 1-to-1 conversion rate on the ugga-dugga. So that's just a better view of where the bracket is. Starter, bracket, third bolt on the starter. Another one up top. A little bit tricky to get to.